Hello, people in Nashville, or wherever you're at now. Just thought I'd throw up a little video to tell you what we did today, Monday, in class. Basically, we just started off by going over the homework, and I just want to give you guys a couple pointers in case you haven't done it yet. It was this 4-3 and 4-4, remember that? So if you're not getting a lot of the right answers, like in the back of the book, I noticed a lot of people were forgetting to do the chain rule, like 13. Inverse secant, 2s plus 1. Well, derivative of the inverse secant is the 1 over the absolute value, blah, 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 blah. Well, then you also have to multiply by the derivative of the inside. So multiply by 2. And then on this one, you can go 2 over all this stuff. You could FOIL out the thing under the square root. 1 minus 1 is 0. So then you have 4 times s squared plus s. Take the square root of 4, pull it out. Hopefully you can figure this out. Going kind of fast. And that's how you come up with that answer. Like on 19, same thing. You got to remember derivative of the inverse cotangent is that thing times the derivative of the inside. So the derivative of t minus 1 to the 1/2 is 1/2. Alright, so you got to do chain rule. There's one like this one you had to do chain rule twice because you had to do derivative of inverse tangent times the derivative of x squared minus 1 to the 1/2, which is that, times the derivative of the inside. So chain rule it up. Lots of chain rule. So if you're not getting the right answers, that's probably your problem. Answer number 22 is 0. Give you the even answers here real quick. That's on 4.3. 4.4, the answer number 2 is 2e to the 2x. And 14 is all that stuff. And 20 is just the ln of x. Remember to do product rule right here. That's about it. But we went over that pretty in-depthly and just talked a lot about knowing when to do chain rule, knowing when to do product rule, stuff like that. I reminded everyone they need to be memorizing all of their derivatives of all the log stuff, exponentials and logs. Memorize all those. Memorize all the inverse trig function derivatives. I've given everyone some flashcards for those derivatives. You guys can either make your own, or you should probably make your own, because by the time you get back, you should already know them. So we did that. Their homework again was to memorize everything. And then we're just doing more practice with these, so I just gave them 4.3, number 15, 17, 4.4, 9, and 25. That's it. Tomorrow we're going to take a quiz over the trig function and log derivatives, kind of a 4.3 and 4.4 quiz put together in one. And then we're just going to kind of go over these problems and review for the test. The test will be Wednesday. So I probably won't make you a video today, or Tuesday or Wednesday. So what you should do if you do have any free time to devote to this class